You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's the Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by. It is time for a mini kit. This is what appears to be, well, I did do a quick translate. Let's just do that again while I have you here. I go to translate and then camera, and then I put it over the item, and it says easy 2 steps, apple candy, soft candy. When it's done, that's pretty much all it's telling me. Colorful toppings. Let's see, what's back here? Okay, let's see, this is the directions. Soft candy into toothpick and dip into syrup. Okay, if you add lots of toppings, look, it's done. So basically, it's a tray, and then you put your 2 toppings, which are in bags, 1 in each compartment. Put your wood stick into the little candy, and then dip it in and enjoy. Looks simple. Oh, soft candy up there. That's what it says. Did not translate any of this. I got this at a market in Elk Grove called Tensuki. I don't go there much. I just happen to be in the area. So, well, let me stop in, see what they have. So I am going to do this kit today. Very colorful. The bottom and top of the bags are really deep red, burgundy-ish color. And then, of course, all the writing is in Japanese, and I cannot read. Oh, do-it-yourself apple-flavored chewing candy. That I could read. I don't know if this character itself has a name. It might. Looks like a bunny rabbit or some type of rabbit. And then that's it. There isn't much to it. Let's just get it out of the bag. Well, let's carefully cut the bag. I have done a lot of these kits. My playlist, which I have not added to in a very long time, but I have 2 more kits after this, which I picked up at the same time, so there we go. Okay, so it is a soft-looking gummy candy. You get 2 little pouches, 1 stick. They smell good. Now they're red. Not that that means anything, but it is apple flavored. And then you have a little sprinkles. Can you hear the sprinkles? So it looks pretty simple. You just put something in one side of the tray, something in the other side of the tray, and eat. How much simpler can it get? So let me just soften this up. It looks like there's a cutter. No, maybe I'm just seeing things. I'm looking forward to trying it. I do like the candy kits. It's more than just opening and eating. You have to work at it. Let's get this in here, but let's do it this way. Let's adjust. I always adjust on the fly. Does it matter which side? They show this on the left side. When I was doing these kits, a lot of them, I made sure I tried to do everything exactly like they showed on the packaging. Okay, look at that. Might be able to squeeze a little bit more out, but we'll leave it at that. Now, the sprinkles. And they're, I want to say Easter type colors. They're very yellowish. There's some purple. There's some blue in there. And basically you just stick and eat. Ooh, let's do the pointy side. It is a soft gummy-like candy. All right, get some on there. Then dip it in here. Look at that tasty morsel. Here we go. It's very soft. And it's got a really strong apple flavor. This just adds sweetness. I'm not getting a certain flavor. And then this adds a little crunch. I like it. Let's do another. Ooh. The red is very, very sticky and adds a certain sweetness. I could easily eat this whole thing. And I may just do that. Let me grab the other two kits while I'm chewing. Yeah, let's talk. How many Japanese candies have I done? I wish I could just say that into YouTube, but I can't. Japanese candy. The last one I did, well, I did candy with Butch. That was the fettuccine, remember that? And then these Calbee snacks. So it's not too long ago. Here's all the crazy kits. Quite a few. Look at them all. There's page after page after page. And we go back 9 years. We go back 9 years. This is 10 years ago. Go back even further. Let me turn up the brightness just a skosh. I don't have the right screen case on this, screen cover, whatever you call that. Screen protector. There, that's a little brighter. Okay, how many years do we go back? 11, 12, 13. 13 years ago was this Japanese candy snacks, foods and toys tasting Japanese candy and snacks. That's got 555,000 views. This one has 38, this one has 42. Okay, slight interruption there, that happens. This one was 13 years ago, and it's an assortment, and it's got 21,000 views, 19,000 views. So a lot of people say, oh, your videos all had millions of views. They did not. It varies. I wish I was getting these views, but I'm not getting these anymore. Even 13,000 would be great. All right, so what do I have left? Well, let me grab another one of these while I have you here, and I can enjoy more of this gooey. Ooh, now it's starting to harden up. Okay, so mental note: eat quickly. There's this one. Looks like you're making 1, 2, 3, 4 different things. I have not really researched it. And there's this one, little kid with a fishing pole. He's back here too. It looks like he's fishing, but you got to make something. So those are a little more involved. Basically, when I make a video, I have to do it based on how much time I have with everything going on in the house. Okay, I think I will have another one. Here we go. All right, well, one little interruption. That's okay. That's just life. I think I did say I'd finish all of them. And you can. And you can find it in your heart to watch a few more videos. I'll put the playlist with the Japanese kits like this. And then I have a playlist for just the Japanese candies. I guess I am going to eat it all. What's inside of these? Let me show you. So it's a white center with a nice tasty coating. I don't eat a lot of sweets. Ooh, went everywhere. But when I do eat them, I want to keep eating them. I'll be polite and leave just one. And that's that. Pretty fun little tasty kit. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.